Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? My name is Mariah and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a super duper quick introduction because I'm gonna try not to bore y'all, but what's coming up next, I'm taking it back to school. It's gonna be a little PowerPoint, just a little one. It'll go by super quick. Please stay tuned. I'm just gonna give you guys all the details about how I cleanse my hair with clay. And I kind of wanted to just make it informational and give you guys some information on what clay is, how it cleanses, the different types of clay, stuff like that. So this is just going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to get on here, show my face, say hi to y'all. I know it's been a while since I have posted and I am very sorry for that, but I am going to get it together. I promise. But anyways, if you want to know how I cleanse my hair with clay, please keep watching. Oh, my fault. Hold on. Wait a second. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. I'm trying to grow my channel, so definitely comment. Let me know on what I can improve on, what I can do better, what type of videos that you would like to see from me, because my YouTube is about beauty, but I kind of want to do everything. Like, I want to grow into doing prank videos and like reaction videos. I don't know. I just want my channel to be a lot of fun and very informational. So definitely comment below. Let me know what I can improve on. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe, please. Support me and follow me on my social media. All my social media handles will be in the description box below. Okay, now bye. Okay guys, so clays are a soft, loose, earthy material made up of very small particles. They are mainly found in mineral clay deposits that lay on or just below the Earth's surface. There are many different types of clays found all over the world, and they can be classified into 3 different groups. Really, it's 4, but the 4th one doesn't apply to hair or skin, so I didn't include it. So the first group are kaolinites. These are non-swelling clays that adsorb, meaning they hold impurities on their surface rather than soaking them up, which is absorbing. Kaolins are the mildest of clays. They help to draw out oils, stimulate blood circulation, and they soften. So these clays are great for people who have sensitive skin. It's also really great if you're trying to brighten and condition the skin as well. Same goes for hair. The next group are smectites. Now these clays have a tremendous ability to swell when mixed with water and are great with absorbing impurities. A couple examples of smectites or clays belonging to the smectite group are Bentonite Clay and Rhassoul Clay. They both absorb toxins, gently exfoliate, they're very rich in minerals, and they help draw out excess oils. Last group of clays are the elite group. These are highly absorbent but non-swelling clays. They have a 3-layer structure which gives them a stronger drying and drawing effect. The most popular of clays out of the elite group is going to be the French green clay. French green clay is highly absorptive and adsorptive. It stimulates blood flow, helps unclog and shrink pores, eliminates dirt, product buildup, dandruff, and toxin, and gently removes excess oil without stripping natural oils. So how does clay cleanse our hair? Well, clay cleanses our hair in 3 different ways. So it kills bacteria, removes toxins, which I'm going to talk more about on the next slide, and removes oil, dirt, and buildup. Okay, so when it comes to removing toxins, the ion exchange is super important because toxins have either a positive or a negative charge. So therefore, in order to fully remove the toxin, you have to use a clay that has the opposite charge of that toxin, if that makes sense. So when you see people who cleanse their hair with like just bentonite clay, that's okay. It is still cleansing your hair, but it's definitely not fully cleansing it. You're not getting a full deep clean because bentonite only removes positive charge toxins, meaning that all the negative charge toxins are remaining on your hair and on your scalp. Okay, so you're going to need a plastic bowl and a plastic mixing utensil. Please do not use any metal because the clay will start to draw out the impurities in the metal and then it won't work as well in your hair, and you don't want that. So first I'm going to be using bentonite clay, and bentonite clay removes positive charge toxins, absorbs impurities, dirt, and extra oils, and smooths the cuticle and defines curls. Next, I'm using Rhassoul Clay. So Rhassoul Clay contains a large variety of minerals that our hair needs, and it softens and moisturizes the cuticle. Next is the Koalin White Clay, and this clay removes negative charge toxins and dead skin, and it boosts hair growth and balances the pH. Lastly, I'm using the French green clay. This removes product buildup and dead cells, and it has a great source of minerals. Okay, so get your bowl. This is a different bowl from the first clip because I lost the first clip of me mixing the clays. That's okay, I just went ahead and recorded a new one. So I'm going to start pouring in my clays. First, I'm putting in the bentonite clay. As you can see, I don't ever really measure the clays. I don't feel like there's a need to. But I think I'm putting approximately like around half a cup of each clay, somewhere around there. So I'm going ahead and put that bentonite clay. Next, I'm going to add in the Rhassoul clay. And then I am going to go ahead and add in the white Koalin clay. And after that, I'll go ahead and mix in my French green clay. Once I have all of my clays in the bowl, I will go ahead and take my plastic utensil and just incorporate those, mix those all together before I add in the water. I just found it cuts my mixing time in half. Alright, so once your clays are all incorporated with each other, you're going to go ahead and add your water. Now you can make your clay as thick or as thin as you would like it. I like mine in the middle, so again, I just eyeball the water. I honestly don't know how much I put in there. But once you put your clay in, once you put your water in, and I would start off with just a little bit so you could see how you like it and add more if need be. But yeah, once you add that in, you're gonna go ahead and mix. So it takes me a cool little minute to mix my clay all well and good. I hate when there's big lumps. That's usually because of the bentonite and the Rhassoul clay. So I'll just mix like you see me doing. And then when I get to the lumps, I'll start literally like squeezing them against the side of the bowl just to break those down, and then just keep mixing. And you're going to want to keep doing that until the mixture is as smooth as possible. Sometimes I even just forego the plastic utensil and I'll just put my hands up in there and I'll just start squeezing and squishing all of the different lumps in there and then mixing it with my fingers until I get it to the smooth consistency that I like. You can also add in whatever your favorite oil or hair growth oil into this mixture as well and incorporate that in there, and it just makes it a little bit smoother as well. And I'm just going to let you guys watch me mix the clay because I find it relaxing. So enjoy. So for easy application, you're going to want to get an applicator bottle. I got mine from Sally's for like $2. You're gonna want to go ahead and cut a hole in the top so that the clay can easily get through, and this just makes it easier to apply it to your hair and scalp. Make sure when you cut that hole it's not sharp on the top so you don't accidentally cut yourself. And then I'm going to get this little mixing cup with this little thingamabobber on the end that makes it easier to add it into that small applicator bottle. But since that clip of me actually putting it in the bottle for when I cleansed my hair with clay that day got deleted somehow, this mixture I am going to be putting in a old deep conditioning container that I saved. I like to save these types of containers because they come in handy for things like this. But I think this is pretty cool because I get to show you guys that you can pre-make your clay and then save it in an airtight container, you know, that way so no bacteria gets in, and it'll actually be good for up to a year. So you can definitely make these in advance and just keep them on deck. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to add in all that clay, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. If you want to see how I cleanse my hair with clay, that video will be coming up very, very soon, sometime this week. And I just want to, again, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely let me know if you tried this little mixture out on your hair, and let me know how it works for you guys. And yeah, that is about it. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. For real. I'm trying to get my, I'm trying to get it up. Don't play me, okay? Subscribe if you like my video. I hope it was super informational and it helped you guys out or answered any questions maybe that you guys had. Okay. Look how pretty that looks. It looks nice. Ooh, so smooth. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop annoying y'all. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all on the next one.